Hey, did you ever think how you mastered your native language? Yeah, today I'll tell you how you mastered your native language. I'll also tell you how can you learn English language as well. Okay, before jumping to the main topic, I'll tell you if you want to learn English and if you want to learn public speaking, then please follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? I will help you to master or learn English language, okay? Okay, let me tell you how you mastered your native language. I'm talking about Bangla. I'm talking about every single language. Do you know every people of our world, of our country, followed 4 steps to learn a language? Yes, obviously I and you also followed 4 steps to learn your native language like Bangla. Yeah, you have followed 4 steps. I know you don't know that you followed 4 steps to learn your Bangla language. Wait, I'll tell you which 4 steps you followed to learn your language, to master your language. Okay, first step: after your birth, your father, your mother, your family member, your neighbor, your relatives came to see you, and that time they tried to talk with you in Bangla language, and they created an environment on Bangla, and that was your first step. Which steps? The steps of listening. Every people started their language learning journey with first steps, the step of listening. Okay, yes, even you also started your language learning journey with first steps, there was listening. Yeah, after consistency listening, 1, 2 or 2.5 years, we started our second step. What was our second step? That was speaking. Yeah, when we were 2 or 2.5 years old, we started speaking in Bangla. Okay, that's how we started that time our second step of language learning. Okay, do you understand what was our second step or what is our second step to learn our language? You can say Bangla or foreigner language. Yeah, if you want to learn any other or any new language, then you have to follow these 4 steps. Okay, what was our first step? Listening. So what was our second step? That was speaking. Our family members, relatives, neighbors, everyone tried to encourage us to speak Bangla. Then we started speaking with 1 word, with 2 words, sometimes with 1 sentence, 2 sentences. That's how our consistently make us a better native speaker, Bengali speaker. Okay, that was our second step to master a language, and that's how we mastered our Bangla language. Then what was our third step, or what is our third step? The third step of language learning is to read. When we were 4 or 5 years old, that time our parents, especially mother, tried to teach us how to read. Our teacher also helped us that time how to read, and that's how we start reading and mastered reading a Bangla language. Okay, and that was our third step. And then the last step, writing step. I hope you understand. After learning reading skill, we started, or our parents or teacher tried to teach us the writing skill, and that was our fourth step, and that is fourth number step to learn a language. Understand? I hope you always better understand. And by following these steps, you can learn any language. You can learn Bangla language, you can learn English language, you can learn Chinese language, you can learn Japanese language. I hope you understand how you can learn a language like English. If you have learned a little bit from my video, then please like my video and also like my Facebook page and a YouTube channel. I hope you'll get a lot of help to learn English language from my channel, from my Facebook page. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.